In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency display on eBay by turning off the option that automatically converts item prices to US dollars. To get started, open eBay and search for an item you're interested in buying. Wait for the search results page to load, since the currency display setting is available from the results layout controls. Once the results are on screen, go to the top right corner of the listings. Find the list or grid view button, click it, and then choose Customize from the drop-down menu. This opens a small window where you can adjust how search results are displayed. Quick side note, for more straightforward eBay tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. In the Customize window, look for the option labeled Convert Prices to USD. Uncheck this box to stop eBay from converting listing prices into US dollars. Then click Apply Changes to save the setting. The search results will now show prices in their original listing currency instead of converting them to USD. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency display on eBay.